Hey beautiful people watching this video, how are you doing? My name is Elizabeth Motsepe and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you a laundry folding motivation. I have done laundry sometimes and today I am going to fold it and pack it away into its own places. So let's get down to the video. And if you like this kind of videos in my channel, I really like doing cleaning motivations and I introduce some decorating videos. Sometimes I do lifestyle, and if you like this kind of videos, please click the subscribe button, show some love to this channel, share the videos, comment down below and tell me what you think about this particular video. I love you so much, and let's get down to folding the laundry. This is the same laundry that I uploaded a video, the previous one. So if you haven't seen my hand washing laundry, the weekly laundry routine, I'll put a cut on this video so that you can go watch it and see how I do my weekly laundries. I know you have seen it, but this one is new. It's a vlog, like a laundry routine, so go and watch it. It's exciting. And this time the boy was not even doing me justice. I tried to say, hey guy, step away, and he was just like run around. What am I saying? Oh yes, English went to its motherland. So this boy was just all over me, and yeah, I cannot do anything. I'm sure he misses me over the whole week because I only see him from Friday until Sunday. So please forgive him for being in all this video. Let's enjoy the folding. This is so satisfying. I always fold my laundry immediately after drying it because I don't have space, and putting a dry laundry in a basket makes it shashobana kudu. So ke prefer gore ke put right away before e shoshobana kudu. I do not do the ironing at all. I iron as I wear. So one day I will do the ironing and show you why I don't want to iron all the clothes at once. It's hell. it, guys. That's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.